Hello there, and thanks for checking out our freebies. The first thing you want to do is to click File, then hit Make a Copy. So now you have a copy in case anything goes wrong and you want to go back to the original. This is all you need to do. Now let's go to Photos and let's get started. So I want to change this background color here to, let's try a different palette. I want to try this blue right here. So what I can do is change all the green or that specific green to a blue color. And that is what I'm going to do here by clicking this button. Now I can change the text, change that to child, and I could also change the font. So there we go, it's changed. I could also change this as well by double clicking it all and then typing in something new. Now I can drag and drop a photo. Just use something that I've used in the past. So there we go, I dragged and I dropped it in. And then once again, this is a text box, so you can click on it to change the text. Now let's change the background color of this. I'm actually going to click on the corner here. And as you can see, this is an element of its own. So I'm going to click the corner so I could get that background. And I'm going to change it to a pink color. Now, if you're also not able to click the background, you could also go to background here and click on whatever element you like. So if I'm going to change it, it would change that for me. But I'm going to go back and find that pink color that I like. So here we go. Now, because I have the pink, I want to make these elements much darker. So I'm going to go for the black. And then I'm going to change the text to black by going here. Change that to black. Now I'm not going to change all of it to black, so I'm just going to individually click on this specific one. Now, I love this as black, so I could select it to change the text. I'm just going to switch out the photo. Let's just do this one here. And there we go. So now I can drag and drop once again another photo into the background. And I can play around with the opacity. As you can see, it has a bit of a brownish background color behind this transparent photo. So you can also change that by going to background and clicking on, if you wanted white, you could do that. If you want something else, you can click on that color. And then you could also click on the text boxes to change that as well. Now, as you can see, this was, I think it was a green color when we first started, but because I changed all the elements to blue, all the green elements to blue, it changes to blue as well. So we're going to keep this at blue, and then I'm going to change the font color to blue as well. I'm going to change all. So as you can see, this changed to blue also. So if you need to download, you want to click the download button, and then you want to select which pages you want to download. If not, select all of them, hit done, and then hit download. And let's see the change. Let's take a look at the original. And let's take a look at what we changed it to. And there you go.